Weather Weapons Treaty. If you type in Weather Weapons Treaty into Google, you'll get a pre-filled in search result. It opened for signature on May 18, 1977 in Geneva and entered into force on October 5th, 1978. The convention bans weather warfare, which is the use of weather modification techniques for the purposes of inducing damage or destruction. And this is on Wikipedia. And then there's other articles. I've been hearing about weather modification, weather manipulation since the 90s on Coast to Coast AM with Art Bell. A lot of people still deny the reality of it. They think it's exclusive to cloud seeding. Actually, if we go to weathermodification.com, I don't know if this is a hoax or if it's real, but check this page out. Weather Modification Incorporated. When most people look up, they see clouds. We see potential. You could explore this website. So someone sells weather modification as a service. WMAS. Weather modification as a service. 2 A's. But let's take a look at this UN Weather Weapons Treaty. It's hilarious that this exists. It's not. I mean, it makes sense. But again, this is just for the deniers of everything. There's people like deny anything. They deny everything exists. So the Convention on the Prohibition of Military or any other hostile use of environmental modification techniques. The laws of armed conflicts. Yeah, we have all this. Let's see. So I'm guessing when they were trying to come to a peace treaty about nuclear weapons, weather weapons was also part of it. Realizing that the use of environmental modification techniques for peaceful purposes could improve the interrelationship of man and nature and contribute to the preservation and improvement of the environment for the benefit of present and future generations. Recognizing, however, that military or any other hostile use of such techniques could have effects extremely harmful to human welfare. All right, so blah, blah, blah. They agreed to the following. Article 1. Each state party to this convention undertakes not to engage in military or any other hostile use of environmental modification techniques having widespread, long-lasting, or severe effects as the means of destruction, damage, or injury to any other state party. Each state party to this convention undertakes not to assist, encourage, or induce any state, group of states, or international organization to engage in activities contrary to the provisions of paragraph 1 of this article. Article 2. As used in Article 1, the term environmental modification techniques refers to any technique for changing through the deliberate manipulation of natural processes the dynamics, composition, or structure of the Earth, including its biota, lithosphere, hydrosphere, and atmosphere, or of outer space. Article 3. The provisions of this convention shall not hinder the use of environmental modification techniques for peaceful purposes and shall be without prejudice to the generally recognized principle and applicable rules of international law concerning such use. All right, yada, 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 yada. I just wanted to bring this to everybody's attention to give people something tangible, a government document. And if you want to find it, just do a Google search on UN Weather Weapons Treaty, and you'll be able to pull up the same PDF if you want to read the rest of it in its intricate detail. So weather modification is real. I don't know why it's always denied, but they can't deny it anymore. I don't even know why this matters. Like, why do I have to prove things? Why does it even matter? If someone wants to be an idiot and just deny everything, why do I even care to prove them wrong? If they want to be idiots, they can be idiots. We're moving forward with our own little world that we've created of truth. But ultimately, it's probably good they have a weather weapons treaty. It's good that they can control the weather. They should just make it nice weather all across the world.